Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Ben Taylor Podcast, the home of marine industry insights. This podcast is brought to you by the Superyacht Services Guide, a worldwide trusted directory of yachting services. Today we're going to sit down and talk with Nikita here from Bespoke Projects, which is all about interior outfit. We're going to hear a bit about their brand, what they're doing, their speciality, and all things Bespoke Projects. So welcome to the podcast, Nikita.
Thank you, Ben.
Nice to see you.
Hi, nice to see you.
So give us a bit of a background. What is Bespoke Projects all about?
The Bespoke Projects is a company specialized in super yacht interior and exterior solutions.
Yeah.
So we provide different packages of our services like engineering, production, installation, and project management.
Yeah.
So yeah, we like the challenges. We like difficult projects.
Yeah. And a lot of
something
them.
out of standard.
Yeah.
And this what make us to be energetic.
Excited.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
what you guys do. So the Bespoke Projects name is a recent brand name that you've kind of embraced. Why is that so reflective of what you guys do?
Yeah, so I started my company 10 years ago in Barcelona, and I named the deck project because I came from the, let's say, teak decking and exterior carpentry.
Right.
So that's why I started my
So that's where your speciality was,
exactly.
Right?
Yeah. So I named that deck. Then step by step we were growing and realized many different projects on interior as well, where we had to give smart solutions to the clients, etc. So and then I start to thinking about that we are not about the deck, we are about something creative, something individual, unique, and that's why I
this happens,
Bespoke.
doesn't it? Yeah, this happens where you start with a niche. You do a good job,
Yeah.
people then say, oh, I'm pretty sure you guys could do the rest of the interior or this aspect. And then you give it a good shot. Apparently you've done pretty well at it.
Exactly.
And then it kind of broadens out into, okay, still bespoke projects, still tailored, still really
tailored,
niche.
yes. And I had
but a bit
that
broader
idea
services,
during last 5 years or something, but I felt that it's too early to rebrand the company. So I said, let's wait when we are like 10 years.
And let's be ready.
And it's a good number, it's a good time, you know.
Yeah.
So all the things came together and we did that.
Okay. And can you give us a bit of an example of the types of projects that you're getting involved in now? When do you get involved with them, and what's so exciting about them? Where are you really quite powerful?
Yeah, as we provide different services, it depends because every year is like new boats, new projects, and for example, let's say in 2024 we had more exterior carpentry and teak decking projects, so instead of 2025 we have more interior projects, and so all different.
Yeah.
So we are adapting to every year and ready to perform. So we do actually different things, like we had requests for exterior engineering, design and engineering of exterior ceiling panels, some varnishing works, like exterior furniture, which are different from interior for the materials and should be more resistant. Different kind of glue, different kind of wood, you know, it's all these processes. You have to think about how to make it nice and resistant.
Yeah.
And
I always think there's two sides of this, because you get a briefing, right?
Yeah.
And somebody somewhere has had a vision, they've dreamed it up and said, we want this. Yeah. And then it's your job to not only make it look good and design it correctly aesthetically, but then also from an engineering perspective, make sure it works, make sure it's not going to fall to bits, it's going to be okay with the movement of the boat and all the structural forces and all that kind of stuff.
So that's why our goal is like to make the designers, the owner request and designers' ideas to the life. Yeah?
Yeah.
So that's the point.
Yeah, so they can come to you and go, can you create this?
Yeah,
You'll
can
say,
you create this?
Yeah,
and
we've done something similar, and then actually make it happen. It's nice and easy.
We cannot say no. We start to thinking how we can create it. and that's what make us.
Yeah, it's design thinking. That's what people
Yeah,
like you for. And
yeah.
that's where you value it. Yeah. And so, what's have you got any techniques, anything particularly innovative in terms of how you actually produce these designs and things on board that people request?
So we always looking to be on the same way with all new technologies. I personally follow all new innovation and technologies and bring them to the company.
Yeah.
So in our factory we have like all contemporary tools, CNC machine, digital table saw for fine cuts. We have our own spray booth where we apply the finishing materials, and we're using 3D scanning for exterior and interior area. Then our engineers can work on the scan, transforming to the 3D model, and prepare the drawing for our guys so they can follow the drawing and produce any kind of form, details, furniture, cabinets, whatever.
Yeah. And is it quite a broad range of materials that you deal with?
I mean, we try to combine. Let's say the carpentry. It's not all about the wood, because we combine. Let's say if we produce the unit and the design includes some marble tops or something, so then we engineer this marble top, we organize and we produce that marble with our partners, and then we do the installation. Same like in some doors or some drawers, they request some metal frames, with a special finish, so we do by ourselves. We cut metal, we weld it, we apply some finish. So we use many different materials, and when we understand that it is something we cannot do, so then we of course subcontract other companies, some specialists, and we just managing the process.
Yeah, as required.
Exactly,
yeah.
because for some processes we don't have enough machinery. And that's why it's better to give it to the specialists. So we just do the management to make it as we want.
Yeah. I bet you've had some pretty cool requests over the years. Have any come to mind that are quite cool, were particularly difficult, or
it could
have
be
a good
some
story about them?
For example, it could be some embossed leather with some creative pattern. So it should be produced with a special stamp. So you have to same 3D model. You have to engrave on the metal roll. So put the plain leather into the roll. Then you're rolling and leave some marks on the leather. Then also if they want a special color for the leather. So you do different tests and special finish. Same with we started to work with the liquid metals as well. Like you can see on this table, so they have different finishes like stainless steel, brass, copper. So it is also very interesting material, because you can create different shapes and forms and apply this liquid metal, so to give an aspect of the metal construction. Instead, nobody think about that it's wood, for example. So all the things, mostly for the designer's idea. And then on board we always have to think how to fit it, because there
you've
is
got to be practical about it.
Not only the straight walls. So we have all piping, all electronics, everything behind. So it have to be everything built in. And you have to hide all these details. So from exterior you see nice furniture, but behind you have everything, all communications and piping.
The last thing you want to do is drill through the wall and then drill through something important that you really should have punctured.
You have to make sure that there is nothing.
And so I suppose technology is a big part of the business. Things like 3D printing, is that being used quite a lot? Does it unlock different capabilities?
On the last couple of years, I saw many things. 3D printed, and I thought that it will be nice to try as well. That's why for this exhibition we printed a couple of objects
Okay, cool.
and we refinished them like a yacht hull. So we apply the filler, we apply the primer, we apply the finish, the top coat,
Yeah.
and on next a year maybe or few 5-6 months we want to see how it will be working with the different weather changes, like with the different temperature.
Oh, just testing how it kind of
before we
endures
bring it
different
on board.
environments and see if it still looks
Exactly.
good.
Yeah, so we want to leave it outside. We apply some water under the sun with the cold weather. So
Yeah.
all the things wash with some chemicals.
Yeah, just
so
simulating the marine environment and making
exactly,
sure once
yeah.
it's on board,
Yeah,
it doesn't
some
look rubbish
salt
after 6
water.
months. Yeah.
Exactly, and see how it works. If it works, so then we can propose some new ideas for the designers and the shipyards to create some nice furniture with the very super creative forms and shapes.
Yeah. And so with the 3D printing, am I correct in thinking it's really useful to print kind of the basic shape without the finishing?
Exactly.
And then you need the other processes just kind of for the finishing touch, make it look good. Is that how helpful it is?
Yeah. You just have raw material, which is printed, which is not perfectly flat.
Yeah.
But you have a
a lot of the work is done, but it just needs that final touch.
You have a structure. So then you have to make it flat, make it.
Okay, and you guys are based out of Barcelona?
Yeah. Based in Barcelona, half an hour from the Barcelona. So
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I personally think there'll be an awful lot of activity in Barcelona and growth over the next few years, especially on this refit scene. So what are your kind of expectations? What kind of projects are you getting involved in?
So we have our clients in Barcelona with who we work during many years. So every year new boats coming, and our clients as well. So we always support them. It's quite busy. So in Barcelona it's a big hub for super yachts as well, and we are happy that we have nice boats coming to our home.
Thank goodness.
Yeah. And but our company, like we're working all around the Europe. So we're traveling, we arrange logistics, we arrange people, houses, small warehouses or whatever. Everywhere we go. So like we can perform projects in any country. So we have done projects in Italy, in Netherlands, in Germany, and Croatia. So in different shipyards. We do the main production at our facility, and then we pack everything and send it to the place where the boat is. And then my guys, they start to do the installation and all works on place.
Yeah. Okay, and over the next few years, what are you kind of aiming for? How does Bespoke Projects grow? Where is that growth opportunity?
Oh, we'll see. Like the good thing is that we are young people in the company with a lot of energy and many years of a background in the yacht industry.
Yeah, good.
So we have a lot of power, a lot of passion. So what we do,
let's go. Let's make it happen.
Let's
try
do
it.
solutions, and never boring, to do that.
Yeah.
So this is the first thing. We like what we do, and every day is a new challenge. So of course we are growing. Yeah, we are growing. We receive some new requests from the new clients. It's very nice to meet new people, new clients, new captains, management. Create a community. So all of us are working all together to make together nice projects with the innovations, with the new materials. So we are ready to be a part of this future super yacht industry, let's say. So very excited to be a part of this team of people, because everything comes from the client request, and then the shipyard looking for contractors. So that's important. So we are ready to be a part or partner of the shipyards to work together to create something beautiful. And this satisfy us, make us satisfied. So that's the goal, like to build the boats together. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, love it. Nikita, thank you for coming on the podcast. Real pleasure speaking to you.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you.
Everybody, if you enjoy content like this, make sure you're following here to see plenty more of it. All being well, we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.